Hey guys, welcome back to another cyber secure episode only on CyberPlease TV. My name is Ishban Yadav and today we are going to discuss how to stay safe while doing social media viral challenges. Social media has allowed us to connect with our friends and family across the globe. In addition to making socializing easy, these platforms also present us with many other opportunities like running businesses, finding jobs, and so much. But something unique to social media platforms are the viral challenges that you get to see every now and then. The most prominent ones have been the Ice Bucket Challenge, Silhouette Challenge, and the Dalgona Coffee Trend, to name a few. Some challenges are just for fun, while others help in raising funds and also awareness. However, there have been instances when users have taken some of these popular challenges too far and they become life-threatening. Like the Tide Pod Challenge, where kids and teenagers were consuming Tide Pods, which is a laundry detergent. The challenge was being tried by so many that supermarkets had to lock the product to prevent oral consumption. Not all challenges may endanger your life, but they can be risky in many other ways. One of the most widely performed challenges was the Couples Challenge, which entails users to share a picture or video with their partners. These videos make it very easy for bad actors to access users' photos and videos, which are morphed and made available on pornography websites and places. These have also been used to blackmail users for huge amount of money. I agree, challenges are a lot of fun. But if we are not careful, our information can be stolen and misused. Let's now take a look at some safety tips to keep in mind. Number 1. Participate in a challenge only if you feel comfortable. You don't have to do something just because it's trending. Number 2. Make sure your posts and your account are visible to friends only. Making information public is risky. Number 3. Be careful when tagging other users. Tagging makes your post visible to a larger audience. Also, if you see something inappropriate being posted or shared, you can report it on the platform using relevant reasons. For more information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org and you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp helpline number, which is 957 000 0066. That's 957 5 times 066. Thank you so much for watching this cyber secure video only on CyberPlease TV. I hope you like, share and comment on this video. Any thoughts, feedback, what you would like to see from us. And of course, I will return back soon with another episode. Just like that, my name is Ishban Yadav. I'll see you soon.